guys found that one, huh? Alright, well, slow down, stop break. Before I kill somebody. Alright, guys. Come back, guys. Ladies, wrestlers, I love them.
Vegas is no joke today. I don't know how you're washing your bike out in this weather.
I don't know either.
It's hotter than a bishop's daughter.
Oh, dude, I'm losing weight. It's like a sauna. Free sauna. Let's live in Vegas. You get a free
Bike's
sauna.
looking sick.
Gang, gang.
You need to get rid of that ragged seat cover.
Nah. We're gonna go camo. I won't even have the seat cover. We won't even be able to see it.
Dude, you're missing the ribs on this thing.
I know. Where are they? Ask for ribs, dude. You kidding me?
How's it feel having to peel out all these staples?
I mean, cuss again.
You're not good at this whole YouTube thing.
Dude, I'm a sailor.
I put way too many staples on this thing.
Yeah, Aaron. It's easy, Aaron said. Yeah, easy probably putting it on.
This seat cover is donezo. I'm gonna pull out my hundreds of. I don't like how these staples rusted.
I was like, why is the seat cover wet?
I don't know. Why is the seat cover wet?
Because I washed it all the way.
Where's the red seat cover? I'm only gonna hit that with like
100?
200 staples. Dore.
Yeah. Hi.
Alright, I'm done. Dude, that'd be sick.
Oh, it's like a freak.
Alright, let's get the seat cover all done up first. Let's get back to putting on your seat cover with no ribs.
And I asked one. That was sick. Look at that.
Let's see.
Master cutter.
There we go. There we go. That cut line though.
I'm sorry, I gotta eat this off.
Now let's get this seat cover rolling. I actually have to do work.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Put on a seat cover then.
We're gonna get high really quick off of this SC1. I'll mess it up, bro. I didn't pay for you to mess it up.
You didn't pay for me to mess it up, so I should definitely mess it up. Just try not to get a staple on my finger this time.
That must have been sick.
And I think that's all I'm going to do for this cover.
Yeah, and then you could put the majority of them in the other ones.
Stapling on top of staples.
Yeah, that doesn't work, I don't think. Let's see how that would look. I'm not gonna leave it on. I just want to see.
Show people how to do a seat cover. I need to stop.
Bike work. Yeah, we do that.
Just a lonely old Mexican off of Craigslist.
I need you to take some pictures of my bike in that bikini.
Dude.
Big staple guy. Fucking chill, bro. Locked and loaded.
Locked and loaded.
Once it's on there, it's fine. Looks delicious.
No ribs.
No ribs. Ooh. Shout out Thrill Seekers. No ribs, bro.
We got her done. Woo, let's get this looked at. Dude, where's your ribs at?
Dude, why this damn satanic? Like why? Honda. Dude, what happened to the bolts here, bro? Oh, God. Come on.
That's the first time I ever put a seat cover with the old seat cover on. There you go. Just need a little finesse.
I need to push down.
Still can't see your ribs.
They're still not.
How do you feel being the guy that was on the Deegan's channel?
No comment.
Is that why you were on there? Because you drink a little bit too much Bud Light?
No, because I didn't drink too much. I should have drank Bud Light. Big phone guy over there.
I'm liking the
Hey, bro.
70s porn stash.
Take a Tulip Media sticker, bro. I mean, they're not mine, but I'm assuming you could take one.
I don't know. I don't know if Blake's up for the
Are
challenge.
you gonna rip it off? Are you gonna rip it off when Aaron kicks you out of the group chat?
Yeah, or group chat. I'm not even in the group chat.
Dude, honestly,
I saw this dude a bike and what is this?
Ride me.
What?
Drunk tattoo talk, bro. Wait, what'd you say? You sell me a bike or what?
Look at how you treat it. Can't even buy a new lever.
There's none in stock, bro. Tell Carter not make him $45 for a damn lever.
Are we gonna shotgun leave?
Yeah, I'm not leaving yet, bro. Are you trying to leave? You trying to just leave me like everybody else does?
There's a problem with my truck right now, and the battery's probably gonna die.
Ah, it's okay. We'll jump it. We got.
Homeboy's
You-
mom.
You worked hard on that seat install.
Oh,
So I had to supervise.
broken _ bone _ Blake.
And mine's nothing. Aaron's just gonna put Tulip. He's just gonna override your voice and put follow at Tulip Media.
Follow
Hey, who
BBK.
did that? Who did that? There was like a YouTuber that would always do that. Every time somebody would try to shout their YouTube channel out.
I'm gonna race some shotguns.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you.
Do I look like that one dude from that one movie?
That one dude from that one
Tom
movie.
Hanks.
Tom Hanks. I do look like Tom Hanks, huh?
He looks like Tom Hanks from Terminal.
With that 70s porn stash.
Oh, Croatia!
Fucking Mike.
Is something sick, bro?
Well, we got Woody the Woodpecker here.
Sick.
Wasn't that pretty sick, dude? You know,
Why do you get the cool nickname?
I'm a lumberjack, bro.
I want a cool nickname.
Gear Club, never burn out.
Yeah, don't burn out or you ruin your gears. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not a big NASCAR guy. Ready? For the sheesh.
Wait. Alright, this one's for
Sheesh.
Josh Grant.
Josh Grant, all the sheesh. Look at Blake's mess.
Blake, why are you so messy?
From the front to
Bro.
the back, side to side.
What if we're being a skater kid again?
I don't know yet.
Dude, let's see the
Oh,
goodies. bag.
Got some water in the bag, bro.
Ooh, got the mob grip.
Hell yeah.
I remember I tried running that on a dirt bike and it didn't work out too well.
Really? Got some stickers. I don't know how you want to do that.
I don't know. Let's see. Alright, come on, come on. Got the Reynolds.
Indy trucks.
Sick. Even got a T-handle.
Got some red and got some wheels. Some Spitfires. What are they? Formula 4.
Even got some hardware.
Some pharmacy hardware.
Sick. Let's get this thing all Come on, Brad. I'm just gonna sit here and watch you put a skateboard together for the first time in what, 13 years?
Something like that, yeah.
Are you gonna leave that showing?
Hmm?
Are you gonna leave that showing?
I don't know, maybe. It'll depend. My last board I had, that's showing.
I'm like so interested in seeing you put this thing together.
Ever seen somebody put a skateboard together?
No, I used to put all my skateboards together myself, but there you go. Slap that. Slap her down.
Yeah. Ooh.
There you go. Looking professional. Might have a few air bubbles, but it's okay.
Yeah, probably. You just poke them. It's not a big deal.
Gotta make it nice and cuttable.
Cuttable.
Dude, it is hotter than a bishop's daughter in here, dude.
Dude, it's so warm here.
Ow!
Yeah, what is that?
My favorite part.
Oh yeah, poking the holes.
It's the only part that I like. Snap. Snap. With snap on.
Snap on. Hashtag not an ad.
Hashtag nothing like spending $200 on some picks to poke a hole through your skateboard.
Hell yeah.
Ream it out.
Feel
like I'm-
rim job.
I feel like I'm going a little overboard, but whatever. Dang. Dude, I should have been a skater.
Should've.
Whoever got me on this moto crap, you suck. Way too expensive. And I suck. Merry Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler.
Dude, the life of being fat's no joke. It's hot. Skateboard looks sick though.
Hot as a biscuit.
Woo! Alright, let's see it. See you take your first ride after 13 years.
First ride after 13 years. Whoa, dude, those trucks are